Indian Navy frigate INS Shivalik has won the Naval Gunfire Support Competition in exercise RIMPAC 2024, that included 25 nations gunning for the rodeo trophy. The Indian Army has reassessed its requirements for self-propelled artillery systems, and the Army is now contemplating an even more ambitious target of procuring 300 more K9 Vajra howitzers. The US is sending a carrier strike group, an F-22 fighter squadron and additional warships to the Middle East, as the region braces for an Iranian retaliation. 2 battalions of the Assam Rifles will be moved from Manipur to J&K for counter-terror operations. After the 2 Shahid drone kill markings, Indian Navy's INS Tabar frigate has once again been spotted with a ship kill patch, which symbolizes a successful engagement that resulted in the sinking of an enemy vessel. The DRDO has successfully developed a microclimate system for the Arjun Tank that will regulate the temperature and humidity inside the compartment, and will enhance the comfort and efficiency of tank crews operating in extreme weather conditions. The Indian Coast Guard has successfully conducted its maiden night landing of Dornier aircraft at Agatti Airport, and this successful operation marks a remarkable enhancement in the Indian Coast Guard's operational capabilities. The Indian Navy is all set to restart the search for 15 amphibious aircraft to bolster its capabilities in the Andaman and Nicobar Command. Amid reports of Pakistani pilots starting flight training on the Chinese J-31 stealth fighter jet, a debate has started that India should make an emergency purchase of Su-57 in response to this development. The Indian Air Force has been investing heavily in the development of its indigenous AMCA 5th generation fighter jet, but it would take at least a decade before it reaches production, and this delay offers Pakistan a critical window of opportunity to dominate the skies with the J-31. Recognizing the urgent need to bridge this capability gap, the Indian Parliament's Defence Committee has recommended acquiring 5th generation fighters from foreign suppliers as an interim measure. India's acquisition of S-400 system poses significant hurdles to the purchase of American F-35A, while Russia has offered its upgraded Su-57M variant, which has addressed the key concerns raised by India while exiting the program in 2018. During the upcoming visit of the commander of the Brazilian Navy and the commander of the Brazilian Armed Forces to India, the two sides will finalize a memorandum of understanding regarding the maintenance of Scorpene submarines in Brazil. The discussions will also explore potential export of BrahMos missiles and Akash missiles to Brazilian armed forces, and the purchase of C-390 military aircraft by the Indian Air Force. The Indian Navy has expressed keen interest in Boeing's newly developed multi-mission pod for its P-8I anti-submarine aircraft, which is a modular system designed to accommodate a variety of sensors and mission systems. Boeing and the Indian Navy have started working to identify sensors that they would like to include in the multi-mission pod for India's P-8I fleet, that might consist of Indian-made sensors that will expand the aircraft's mission profile beyond traditional anti-submarine warfare. Today's top 3 comments.